Slamfire, sneaky advantage, or useless hype. Firearms are an ever-evolving landscape where innovation reigns supreme. Shooters, whether seasoned professionals or avid enthusiasts, continually seek the next breakthrough that might confer an advantage on the range or in the field. Among the myriad of innovations that have sparked both fervent excitement and deep-seated skepticism, Slamfire stands as a compelling enigma. But the question persists, is Slamfire truly a clandestine advantage concealed within the confines of a firearm, or is it nothing more than an extravagant hype? In this video, our mission is to meticulously dissect the concept of Slamfire, dissecting the realities from the myths and providing you with an unobstructed lens through which to perceive its true essence, and whether it genuinely lives up to the fervor that it has garnered within the firearms community. What is Slamfire? The concept of Slamfire is a captivating convergence of heritage and contemporary technology. It embodies the fusion of timeless firearms mechanics with the cutting-edge innovations of today. What truly captivates in Slamfire is its capacity to rewrite the fundamental rules of shooting, presenting shooters with an unconventional and intriguing approach to firearm operation. In a world where innovation continues to push boundaries, Slamfire stands as a testament to the enduring allure of firearms and the ever-evolving quest for excellence in their design and functionality. This innovative firing mechanism challenges the long-standing paradigm of firearms operation where the shooter's control over the trigger was paramount. Slamfire, on the other hand, introduces a degree of automation previously unheard of in the firearms world. By facilitating the discharge of a round upon the bolt or chamber's closure, it opens up new possibilities for rapid, controlled fire without the need for constant trigger manipulation. However, the introduction of such a game-changing technology also raises critical questions about safety, ethics, and the responsible use of firearms. In this journey of exploration into the Slamfire, we will delve deeper into its inner workings, scrutinize its practical applications, and evaluate whether it lives up to the heightened expectations and debates that have captivated the firearms community in recent years. Stay tuned for an illuminating journey where tradition meets innovation and where the boundaries of firearm technology are continually pushed to their limits. The promise of Slamfire. Advocates of Slamfire are driven by its revolutionary potential, articulating a persuasive argument for its integration into the firearms. They contend that the advantages it offers are truly game-changing, setting the stage for a shift in how firearms are used and perceived in a world perpetually seeking the next frontier in shooting technology. Slamfire's potential benefits are indeed compelling. Firstly, it offers the invaluable advantage of time by facilitating rapid follow-up shots, an absolute game-changer in situations where split-second decisions are pivotal, such as competitive shooting or self-defense scenarios. Reduced trigger pull weight, another hallmark of Slamfire, contributes to enhanced shooter comfort and precision. By diminishing the potential for flinching or inadvertent disturbance due to a heavy trigger pull, it empowers shooters to maintain better control over their shots, particularly under high-pressure situations. Moreover, the complete elimination of trigger pull related disturbances promises to usher in a new era of accuracy and consistency, potentially redefining the standards of marksmanship. Perhaps more intriguingly, some proponents suggest that Slamfire can be a safety asset as it potentially reduces the likelihood of negligent discharges by bypassing the trigger entirely. This shift in firing mechanics may reduce human error in high-pressure situations where split-second decisions can be a matter of life or death. However, these advantages must be scrutinized within the context of practical application in real-world scenarios to fully appreciate their significance and assess whether Slamfire truly lives up to its promise. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of Slamfire, conducting rigorous tests and evaluations to separate fact from fiction and provide you with a balanced perspective on this groundbreaking technology. The skepticism. Skeptics, while acknowledging the potential benefits of Slamfire, raise a chorus of caution regarding its responsible use. They underscore the multifaceted nature of their concerns, emphasizing that the introduction of this innovative technology demands a thorough understanding of its implications and an unwavering commitment to safety and ethical use. First and foremost, skeptics are deeply apprehensive about the inherent risks of accidental discharges, particularly in high-stress situations. Slamfire's automation of the firing process, they argue, could lead to unintended consequences if not approached with the utmost caution. The absence of a deliberate trigger pull could potentially increase the likelihood of a firearm discharging when it is not intended, posing serious safety risks to both the shooter and those in the vicinity. Moreover, the legal landscape surrounding slamfire mechanisms is far from uniform. In many jurisdictions, there's an ongoing debate about their legality, with some regions choosing to ban or heavily regulate their use due to concerns about safety and misuse. In our exploration of Slamfire, we will carefully consider these valid concerns raised by skeptics, conducting rigorous testing and analysis to provide a comprehensive evaluation of the technology's practical implications and its alignment with responsible firearm ownership. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intricacies of this contentious issue, striving to offer a balanced and informed perspective on the matter. Testing Slamfire. In our pursuit of unbiased assessment, we embarked on a comprehensive testing regimen designed to reveal the true potential of Slamfire. Our testing protocols were meticulously structured to provide accurate and reliable insights into this innovative technology. To gauge the performance of firearms equipped with Slamfire mechanisms, we scrutinized several critical factors. Rate of fire, a key selling point of Slamfire, was put to the test to determine if it lived up to expectations and whether it truly translated into enhanced practicality and effectiveness. Accuracy, another fundamental attribute, was thoroughly evaluated to ascertain whether Slamfire's unique firing mechanism had any discernible impact on shot placement and precision. Safety remained a paramount concern throughout our testing process. We conducted these evaluations under controlled conditions, minimizing risks and ensuring a systematic, scientific approach to our assessments. By providing a transparent and evidence-based account of our findings, we aim to empower viewers with the knowledge needed to make informed judgments about Slamfire and its place in the world of firearms. The results. Our rigorous testing unveiled intriguing insights into the world of Slamfire. It became abundantly clear that Slamfire delivers on its promise of a significantly faster rate of fire. In scenarios demanding rapid follow-up shots like competitive shooting or self-defense situations, Slamfire undeniably presents a distinct advantage. It enhances the shooter's ability to maintain precise control over a situation, potentially tipping the scales in their favor. However, a stark reality emerged during our evaluation. Slamfire's potential for accidental discharges is a tangible concern, particularly for those lacking experience or rigorous training in its use. This inherent risk underscores the critical importance of education and responsible firearm ownership. It also raises the question of whether Slamfire is a tool best suited for highly trained individuals who can harness its advantages while mitigating its potential drawbacks. Navigating the dynamic landscape of firearm technology requires a nuanced understanding of innovations like Slamfire. We aim to equip viewers with the knowledge needed to make informed choices tailored to their shooting requirements and safety concerns. In a world where innovation knows no bounds, education and discernment are our best allies. In the world of firearms, Slamfire represents a technology that cannot be dismissed as mere hype or gimmickry. It carries with it a unique set of advantages and risks that demand careful consideration. Whether Slamfire becomes a sneaky advantage or a potentially dangerous feature hinges on how responsibly and skillfully it is employed. For those contemplating the adoption of a firearm equipped with a Slamfire mechanism, a thorough understanding of its potential benefits and hazards is paramount. Equally essential is the commitment to seek proper training and adhere to the legal regulations that govern its use in your area. This knowledge and adherence to safety measures are pivotal in harnessing Slamfire's advantages while mitigating its associated risks. Throughout this video, our primary objective has been to offer an unbiased and comprehensive assessment of Slamfire, empowering you to make an informed decision about whether it aligns with your specific shooting needs and safety considerations. Always remember that safety remains the paramount concern when dealing with firearms, and responsible firearm ownership is an absolute imperative for all gun enthusiasts.